security. Unknown severe thunderstorm anomalies have been reported, showing a face with an angered emotion on the face reported by law enforcement and emergency management, which is headed near downtown Los Angeles and supposed to impact within the next hour. Residents in downtown Los Angeles must shelter in place immediately. Go in an interior room with no windows. If you are outdoors, find a ditch or a low-lying area and take cover. Do not go outdoors until the all clear is given.